So day before yesterday, I was traveling from Patna to Howrah in the Vande Bharat Express, and a few gentlemen beside me got up in Asansol, and in Asansol you are served lunch. So after lunch we were served dessert, which was ice cream, vanilla ice cream from Sudha, and a few of them were served vanilla ice creams from Amul. So a few of the people who got up in Asansol happens to be in West Bengal, objected to Sudha ice creams, and they said that okay, we need Amul ice creams. So the gentleman beside me, I told him that, sir, Sudha is really good brand, you can try it, it's good. And he was like, no, I don't know about them and I would not want to experiment. So I was like, okay. So people who are aware of Bihar or Jharkhand or some parts of UP and even some parts of West Bengal are very much aware that Sudha is a very big player. It is a much bigger player in Bihar than Amul, I would say, definitely. Sudha Dairy Projects Limited is a very, very big player. It's a good company, and yes, their products are also really nice, I can tell you that. So now I have a marketing question to all the marketers here, to all the marketing minds here. Should companies have budgets for marketing or marketing campaigns in the areas where they have little to less distribution, or should they only be spending in the areas where their core strength or core market is? What is an ideal scenario in this case? What should have Sudha done to be denied in this case? Is there something that can be done? I have one thing I can tell you. When Swiggy was launching in different areas, they would first ask you for the PIN code of your area, and then they would say that okay, whether they are serviceable in that area or not. And I read it somewhere that Swiggy would use those PIN codes, that from the PIN codes where they would have a higher demand, they would go ahead and then launch their services in those areas or clusters. So this really helped. So do you think this could have helped Sudha in this case? And what should companies do? Should they not? Let's talk. Thank you.